Hello everyone. Now, as you know, Keshatransplant is the only clinic in Sri Lanka registered with the PHSRC offering Sapphire hair transplants. Now, Sapphire, for those who don't know, is the leading technology for hair transplants. It's available in Turkey, and Turkey is the #1 destination for hair transplants. Actually, in Istanbul, there's an estimated 2 million hair transplants done every year, so it's a global destination. They use Sapphire technology, and this is the same technology that we use in Keshatransplant. So we provide our Sri Lankan clients with the best hair transplants possible. Now, normally, if you were to go to Turkey and get a Sapphire done, it will cost you upwards of 20 lakhs. And in Sri Lanka, you can get the Prime technology done for 350,000, and our standard Sapphire for 175,000. Now, actually, a client of ours has made a request to see what Sapphire Prime looks like. When we introduced the technology, we gave some of our lucky clients Prime hair transplants because it's the latest technology to come out. We gave them actually at a reduced cost and price. They got a world-class Sapphire Prime hair transplant, and this is one such client. Now, as you can see, the benefits of Sapphire Prime is that you can do an extended area at a very high density. This is the advantage of that is that you only need a few sessions, much fewer than if you were to do the standard Sapphire to regrow your hair. So actually, if you have a large area of baldness, or you want an ultra high density hair transplant, then the technology to go for is the Sapphire Prime. There are some discounts available at the moment, so if you want to do Prime and you instead of going to Turkey, you want to do it in Sri Lanka, call us. We are the agents for Sapphire Prime in Sri Lanka. 076 996 5660 or 074 360 0671.
කිස්නැති හිස් දිහා බලාගෙන ඉන්න අස්වැසිල්ලක් නැති හිත්වලට විශ්වාසයේ සතුට පුරවන්න අපි සූදානම්. විශේෂඥ සත්කාරයෙන් ආස්වාදය දෙන්න අපි සූදානම්. බලාපොරොත්තුව අරන් එන්න. මේ හිස් කිස් අස්වද්දන ආශ්චර්ය සේවයයි කේෂා